Hey, Mr. Bear, how you doing? You doing okay? Why are you so depressed? Oh, you want to tell me something? Oh, you went and bought that bars leaks garbage and put in your engine? And it got the engine just basically locked up because of the liquid glass garbage that they push on people? All you wanted to do was fix your heater core, huh? Clogged up everything, didn't it? Blew the head gaskets. Water all over the place. It was a daily driver, wasn't it? What's your suggestion? Oh, stay the hell away from Bars Leaks products? Are we going to sue them? Okay, seriously, guys. Stay away from anything from Bars Leaks. They're selling you $50 worth of liquid glass with a little carbon fiber or some aluminum powder bullshit in a bottle. F Bars Leaks. Fuckers, you're going to court.